Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Delta State legislators and heads of government ministries, departments and agencies are jointly calling for a united course of action toward the achievement of the policies, plans and programs of the Right Honorable Sheriff Oborewori-led administration in the state. Receiving the heads of ministries, departments and agencies recently at the State House of Assembly to defend their proposed programs and projects for the 2024 fiscal year before their respective committees, the legislators emphasized the need for synergy between the executive and legislative arms of government to promote peace and progress in the state.
Delta State ministries, departments and agencies recently appeared before their respective committees in the State House of Assembly to defend their proposed expenditures and programs for the 2024 fiscal year, in line with the provisions of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended. The exercise started 2 weeks ago, immediately after Governor Sheriff Oborewori presented a 714.4 billion naira appropriation bill focusing on infrastructure renewal to the state legislators. The immediate budget defense will ensure the passage of the bill before the end of the year and prevent any delays in the implementation come 2024.
In working with my agenda, we need private partner in this ministry to give us affordable housing in Delta State.
The Ministry of Technical Education has therefore proposed a sum of 16 billion as what is needed for 2024.
The state legislators noted that the legislative arm would rather collaborate and support ministries, departments and agencies of government in improving the lot of Deltans than antagonize their plans and programs.
Government of Delta State is one. We're in the legislature today. The executive is also there. But it's not one government for legislature, another one for the executive.
We are going to be partner in progress. I am not going to be a chairman of the House Committee on Warrior and Environs and Food My Hand.
We'll use this budget as it is to touch the lives of Deltans in such a manner that even Deltans themselves will say that, yes, a very good budget and well implemented.
Commissioner for Housing, Godnose Angele, who spoke to journalists after the ministry's presentation, warned against unprofessional practices in the housing sector.
I've told people all the integrity tests must not be joked with. Any house you are building in Asaba, in the state, we have to follow up. You cannot do any shady job as far as this government is concerned, because we need more for the people of Delta State.
The first appropriation bill of the Governor Oborewori-led team is laden with major infrastructure projects and a capital expenditure that gobs 56% of government projected expenditure, anchored on prudent and frugal management of state resources. The administration, which is already making impact in the state, is hoping to consolidate its achievement as well as break new ground in the 2024 fiscal year.
Inside the Niger Delta,